Today I want to show you guys my outdoor edge Razer HTX 3.5 inch knife. It's a folding knife, almost like a pocket-sized hunting knife. It has an innovative new technology, comes with different attachments such as the saw attachment. It also comes 7 different blades inside, which is a saw, a gutting blade, and 5 drop point steels, which comes with it. The blade on this knife is a Japanese blade, and this is a Colorado-based company. So, you know, if you're one of those made in USA buyers, this is an excellent option for that. And if you're interested in finding out more about this, I'll have the link for this knife in the video description. This knife costs less than $75, and I think it's very affordable for what it is. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's take the blade out first. Okay. Let's take all the contents out of this little shrink wrap thing. Again, it's by a company named Outdoor Edge, and this is Razer HTX folding hunting knife. It says it accepts 350 blades. Let's go ahead and put this aside. Here's the knife itself. Very nice. There's a nice Razer HTX branding on it. It has a lock on the side, lock over here, and then the folding done by this mechanism down here. When you press it, it folds it nicely. It has a little clip in the back, stainless steel clip to keep it in your pocket. Outdoor Edge is printed on the clip. It has a very nice feeling, textured feeling on the handle, and it opens up nice, super sharp blade. And again, here's the locking mechanism, and here's the folding mechanism right on top. Okay, let's look at the saw attachment. This is the saw attachment. It says saw safe, compatible only, printed on it. And it has dual teeth saw style. Very cool. All right, and then this little blade carrying case opens up, and you get all your blades, a little cleaning brush tool, and little razor safe. Need more blades, don't know which blades to get, a little information, how to get the blades out. Basically, they call this locking mechanism on the side saw safe mechanism. So when you're using the saw attachment, you simply initiate this locking mechanism right here. So this movement, it'll be locked. Very cool. All right, let's go back to tips. Here's like the gutting attachments, another knife. Right here, another one, another blade, and another blade, and another blade. So there are 5 blades on it. You simply remove the blade by pressing this little switch right here. Oof, I don't want to cut myself. It's this easy to remove the blade. So you grab the saw, grab this, put it in this little channel, and then put it in. And then if you're going to use the saw, you simply lock it and then cut it. It's incredibly versatile. Love it. I usually don't spend this much money on pocket knives, but for what this is, I think it's very well worth $75. I'm gonna put the blade back on again. to show you guys, same way. See this channel right here? We're simply gonna put this in that channel and then lock it like so, and then fold it. Let me see if the blade can be folded when I have the saw attachment on. I'm gonna remove the blade. It's so easy. Put it back in the channel. Locked it. Yeah, you can fold it with the saw attachment like so. Again, let me show you. This is very cool, you guys. I'm gonna go back to the knife. Again, put this tip into this channel. And then lock it in like so. Very innovative. Well, you guys, this is the Razor HTX 3.5 inch pocket knife with the interchangeable blades as well as a saw attachment. Comes with a nice little attachment carrying case, a cleaning brush, and saw attachment, and 5 other a gutting attachment, and then 5 other blades, including the one on the knife. And it's $75 right now. Again, it's a Colorado company using Japanese blade. If you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it. It's a very nice, stylish pocket knife, 3.5 inch blade. And if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and shoot me a question. I look forward to reading you guys' comments. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and share it with another gadget nerd. If you find my channel interesting, please go ahead and subscribe. I have many more contents similar to this, as well as some coffee content, high-tech stuff content. So I look forward to having you guys. And thank you so much for watching Teo's Take. I'll see you on the next one.